Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5089573 or KB5092427 because of these error codes. So if you're receiving one of these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause update option. So hit pause over here and this may take some time. And once the update is paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. If that does not work, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find Windows Update, scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click and then click on restart. Find app readiness. At the top somewhere you will find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. And once this is done, you can update. You can, if you see retry option, you can hit retry and then you can check. Still not working, you can run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only, click on yes to allow. Now copy all these commands one by one, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will stop Windows Update services, and once done you can run the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once done, run the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. This will, first command will stop the Windows Update service, second command will rename software distribution folder, third command will restart Windows Update services, and the fourth command will create a new software distribution folder. Once this is done, now you can restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Next step is to run these three commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only, click on yes to allow. Now copy all these commands one by one, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will take some time, it will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Now on this website, it will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here, you can write on the name of the update, that is KB5089573 or this update, and then you can search this update over here. And over here, check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. In my case, the version is 25H2. So check your Windows version, then go to Windows settings system, and then go to about option and check your system type. For me, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download. Now once you on this page, you can click on the update KB5089573. Let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, restart your PC, and then check. Still not working. The next step is to close all third-party application. Make sure only the update is running. Rest close everything. If you have any anti-cheat program like Faceit, Anti-Cheat, Riot, Vanguard, you can uninstall it, restart your PC, and then try to install the update once again. Next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option over here, scroll down, go to Recovery option. Here you can see Fix Problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on Reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your PC and then update your Windows 11. Still not working. The last step is to use Media Creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see Media Creation tool. Click on Download now, and then you can run this exe file. And then click on Accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on Next. select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop and then click on save. Let the download complete. Once complete, you can click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.